Sorry if my hair looks kind of messy right now. I did not put any gel or water in it, so it kind of looks a little frizzy. Hey Skicorns, it's me Skylar. So for this week's video, I am doing a scorpion tutorial. My front wall cover tutorial, here it is, the thumbnail. Because that video got to 100 likes, I made a scorpion tutorial. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, and comment down below a nice comment. So the shout out of the week goes to the Dancing Sisters. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, take part in any of the polls in the corner, and comment down below that you did all of those things, and I will give you a shout out. Okay, I have some great news, guys. I'm doing a giveaway. For my giveaway, I am going to be giving away a Raisman book. It was her own book and it is called Fierce. I'm also giving away some pink pre-wrap, some yellow sticky notes for you to write down all of your goals, some hair ties and a little hair scrunchie thing that you can like put your hair in a bun and it'll look like a really poofy bun. And I also have this nice Rebecca's Mom leotard with a matching scrunchie and some tan tape. So I'm gonna show it all to you guys in person. Here it is. This is the thing I was talking about. It can make like your hair look like it has like a real bun. Some hair ties. I know you guys all need these. Here is the leotard. It's very cute. And I will have all the details in the description, like the size of the Leo too. Here's the matching scrunchie. Here's some wonderful tan tape. If you're a gymnast, this is really gonna come in handy for competition, because for competition you can only use tan tape. In the description will be all the rules for the giveaway, so I'm gonna tell you what you need to do in order to win this. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram. Once you follow my YouTube and my Instagram, I need you to contact me either on Insta or YouTube and give me your name so I can collect your name and I can find the winner. So yeah, that was my big announcement. Alright, I know you guys are like, let's get into the video, Skylar. This took way too long. So, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do in order to get your scorpion is stretch. Stretching is really important to warm up your muscles. Stretching out your back is the most important because a scorpion involves a lot of back flexibility. Now it's time for step one. This is what step one looks like. So I kick my left leg back to do a scorpion. And you might be thinking, are you a lefty if you kick your left leg back? Actually, no. I am a righty and I kick my left leg back because when I kick it back, I'm basically in my right leg splits. You might be different. It's okay, but whatever leg feels more comfortable to grab, that's the leg that you kick. Alright, let's do 10 of these. Now it's time for step 2. So you're basically going to be doing the same exercise that you did in step 1, but you're going to do something a little bit different. You're going to kick your back leg and then you're going to put it in a ring position. This is what a ring position looks like. We're going to be doing 10 of these. I'm going to show you it one more time. Alright, let's do 10. That's 10 in Spanish, if you didn't know. step 3. You have two options here. You can either grab your scorpion with both hands or with one hand. I'm going to do it both ways. But for this step, you need to choose your option because we're going to be doing this drill. So let's say you're like, I want to do my scorpion with both hands. This is the exercise that you would do. And let's say you were like, hey, I'm going to challenge myself. I'm going to grab it with one hand. If you were righty like me and you were kicking your left leg, you would grab your leg with your right arm, and vice versa. If you were a lefty and you were kicking your right leg, you would grab it with your left hand. So this is the exercise that you would do. Alright, now that you have chosen your option, let's do 10 of these. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to be grabbing my scorpion with one hand. Now it's time for step 4. We are almost to the end result.
We're going to get our scorpion today.
Start with your leg and start with your option. If you are going to be using both arms, this is the exercise you are going to do. If you want to grab your scorpion with one arm, this is the exercise that you would do. Now that you have chosen your option, again, let's do 10 of these. Wall. We're going to take a little bit of a break from trying to grab it standing in the center, and we're going to go to the wall. Put your foot in front that you want to grab, and you're going to kick in a ring position. Your goal is going to be to try to hit the wall. And don't try to go through the wall because I don't want you to break your wall in your house or wherever you are. Basically, put your foot in front and try to kick the wall. Let's do 7 of these, my favorite number. So for step 6, we're going to take another detour. We're going to stretch our backs just a little bit more because in step 7, we're going to be doing the scorpion. You need to go into your bridge, and I want you to put your leg that you're going to be grabbing right where your head is. So mine's my left, this is my leg that I'm going to grab, and I want you to bend back into it. Like try to put your ponytail, your bun, into your leg. Let's do 7 of these. It's time to do the scorpion. This is step 7. Alright, now that you've mastered all of the steps before step 7, which are steps 1 through 6, you are ready to do this wonderful trick. You're going to have your leg that you're going to grab right in front of you in a tendu, and you're going to kick back and grab your leg. I'm going to show you option A, which is grabbing your leg with both hands. Now I'm going to show you option B, which is grabbing your leg with one hand. I don't know what this position is. You guys decided to watch this tutorial. Let's get into the outro. Or it's this way. Or it's this way. I think it's this way. I really hope you Skicorns enjoyed this video. I wanted to thank you guys so much because we are at 2,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. Remember our acronym. Smile, kind, intelligent, courageous, outstanding, responsible, and noble. Bye, Skicorns. We are Unisome. Bye, Skicorns. Love ya. I'll see you in my next video.